Hello everyone, and welcome today. I'm just gonna show you a quick unboxing video and how to test the water in your pool. I got these test strips that you can use. This is a 7-way test kit that tests a whole bunch of stuff on the side here. I'll tell you what it does. These test papers are packaged in a well-sealed bottle to ensure the strips store for 2 years. These strips are widely used for swimming pools, spa, bath, hot tub, and other water chemistry testing. Researches show that you should test your pool and spa at least twice a week, so you can monitor your water quality at regular intervals. Each test strip is made of high-quality fiber paper and no-color bleeding pad that provides instant and reliable result. Just dip a strip into water for 2 seconds and then remove it. Hold the strip horizontally for 30 seconds. Compare with color chart and read within 30 seconds. These tests for essentials including total hardness, free chlorine, bromine, total chlorine, cyanuric acid, total alkalinity, and pH levels to give you an accurate reading of water conditions.